Hey Beer Belly fam, it's Ryan from Beer Belly Food and Travel. Today we're making something close to my heart. It's chicken paprikash. You guys don't know yet, but I'm Hungarian and this is a meal that I grew up eating all the time. My mom made it like once a week, so I'm gonna make it tonight, and it's one of our family favorites here all the time. So hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Beer Belly Food and Travel.
Thanks for stopping by, guys. You're gonna enjoy this one. Let's make marinade. So sour cream, spices, which includes paprika, lemon juice, and garlic. Mix it up really good. Put it in the Ziploc to marinate. Squish that all around. Get it coated on the chicken really, really good. Set aside. Now we're gonna make the Spaetzle noodles. Make a little pool in there. Add the milk. Add the eggs. This takes 6 eggs, by the way. I know. Sorry, chickens. Need the eggs. And add the pepper and salt and dried parsley flakes. Mix it around. Really, really good. Stir, stir, stir. And if you need to, you can add a little bit of extra water just to get the right consistency. And now we're gonna make the Paprikash sauce. So it's pretty basic, but onions, garlic, and roasted red pepper. Get that all chopped up really good. And we're gonna put that into the pot to cook with about 2 tablespoons of butter. And get that all softened up really nice over about medium heat. Add a little olive oil. Don't forget the paprika. Smoked paprika, by the way, from Hungary if possible, guys. And now we're gonna put the chicken that was marinating into the pot, and that'll cook on medium for about 3 minutes, flipping about halfway through that time. Add the chicken stock, and put the lid on and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Once that's done simmering, we'll come back and we'll add tomato puree. And we're gonna make the secret to what is the sauce is the sour cream, a little bit of flour for thickening, and we'll spoon over some of the sauce. Man, that sauce looks so good, I could drink it. And we're gonna whisk that up. Really, really good. My hand's going so fast, I'm getting dizzy watching this. I'm gonna put that into the pot and whisk that up really good. Give it a little taste. See what it needs. Maybe some extra salt. Maybe a little extra garlic powder. Maybe a little extra paprika. This sauce isn't heavy on the paprika though, but it should have that flavor. And let's get the Spaetzle going. So we're gonna spray the Spaetzle maker with cooking spray so the Spaetzle dough doesn't stick. And you can find this maker pretty much anywhere, but I think you can get them on Amazon even. And so these cook pretty fast. Once they float, they're ready to go. Strain it out and put in the bowl and add butter and fresh parsley. I could eat that whole thing. But I'll share. So let's put it in a bowl. Add some chicken. A couple big scoops of that beautiful sauce. Fresh parsley. And a dollop of sour cream. There you go, guys. Chicken paprikash. I hope you like it. Try out the recipe. Please subscribe and let me know how you liked it in the comments. Thanks for stopping by.